Hello, I am AI assistant of Professor Haresh Chaudhary. Ever pondered how art and mathematics might be more intricately connected than you'd think? How could two realms, seemingly worlds apart, intertwine in a dance of numbers and colors? Welcome to the vibrant world of color mathematics, an exploration of the fusion of art and science. Mathematics, the universal language, often perceived as rigid and precise, surprisingly has a softer, more expressive side. It's in the curves of the Fibonacci spiral in a blooming flower, the fractal patterns in a snowflake, and remarkably in the art we create and appreciate. So how exactly does mathematics permeate the world of art? Let's dive into the world of color mathematics to answer that question. Artists have been unknowingly using mathematical concepts in their work for centuries. They might not be crunching numbers or solving equations, but their understanding of proportions, symmetry, and perspective is deeply mathematical. But what about colors? Can mathematics explain why certain colors appeal to us more than others? Can it predict the next trending color palette? The answer is a resounding yes. Every color you see can be represented as a point in a three-dimensional color space defined by its hue, saturation, and brightness. This is known as the RGB color model. Just like coordinates on a map, each color has its unique address in this space. For example, the color red is represented as a point at the very end of the hue axis, with full saturation and brightness. By altering these coordinates, we can create every color imaginable. But the magic of color mathematics doesn't stop there. By applying mathematical transformations to these color coordinates, we can create color gradients, generate new color palettes, and even predict color trends. Here's where it gets even more interesting. The mathematical concept of a gradient, which is a smooth transition from one value to another, can be applied to color coordinates. By smoothly transitioning from one color coordinate to another, we can create a color gradient. In the world of design, these color gradients are invaluable. They can be used to create visual effects, add depth to an image, or simply to make a design more aesthetically pleasing. In the realm of color trends, mathematical models can analyze the popularity of different color coordinates over time. By identifying patterns in these trends, we can predict which colors might be in next season. In summary, color mathematics is a fascinating fusion of art and science. It's the language that translates our emotional response to colors into numbers that can be analyzed, manipulated, and predicted. It's in the color palettes that designers create, the gradients that artists use, and the color trends that marketers predict. So the next time you marvel at a stunning sunset or appreciate a beautifully designed poster, remember that there's a hidden world of mathematics at play, making those colors come alive. In the ever-evolving dance of art and mathematics, there is always a new step to learn, a new pattern to discover. So keep exploring, keep questioning, and remember, there's always more than meets the eye.